Dear students, today we are going to see what are reflexive and irreflexive relations. So when can I say that a relation R from A to itself is a reflexive one? So if every element A in the base set is related to itself, then it is called as a reflexive relation. So consider a set A in which I have three elements, 1, 2, 3. Then the relation R on A to itself will be a reflexive relation if the tuples 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3 are present in the relation. So it can have other elements, other tuples as well. It doesn't matter. Okay. Presence of other tuples doesn't matter. But the tuples in which the elements are related to itself are a must. And it must be true for all elements in the base set. So that is a reflexive relation. So in the relation matrix MR, all the diagonal entries will be 1. Also for the digraph, there will be self loops at each node in the graph. So this is about a reflexive relation. So now I have a question for you all. You have been given a set A consisting of 3 elements, 1, 2, 3. And there are 3 relations, R1, R2, R3. You have to tell me which of these are reflexive. Okay, so in the relation R1, as you can see, we have the tuples 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. So as each element in the base set is related to itself, hence R1 is a reflexive relation. What about R2? R2 has 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. But it also has 1, 2. So does it matter if there are more such tuples in the relation? No, it doesn't matter. Why? Because the elements are related to themselves. So additional tuples don't actually matter. So there can be more such additional tuples. Still, it will be a reflexive relation. R3. R3 has 1, 1, but does it have 2, 2, 3, 3? No, it doesn't. So R3 is not a reflexive relation. Now, on similar lines, we can define a irreflexive relation now. So relation R from A to itself is irreflexive if for every element in the base set is not related to itself. So there will be no such tuple A comma I in the relation. So if I have a set A having elements 1, 2, 3, and if I define a relation R on it, let's say I have a relation R which has the tuples 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. So this relation is an irreflexive relation. Why? Because the tuples 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3, they should not be present. Even if a single tuple amongst this is present, then it will never be a reflexive relation. So इन तीनों में से एक भी टपल प्रेजेंट नहीं होना चाहिए रिलेशन में तभी वो irreflexive relation होगा. Here, all diagonal entries of relation matrix will be 0 and there will be no self loops at any node of the diagram. Now, I have a question for you. You have been given a set A having elements 1, 2. Tell me which of these are irreflexive relations. So in R1, you can see R1 has 1, 1, 2, 2. So it is not irreflexive. Why? Because 1 is related to itself as well as 2 is related to itself. R2. R2 has 1, 1, 2, 2. So hence it is not irreflexive. R3. R3 has 1, 1. It doesn't have 2, 2. But as I already told you, it should not have any tuple in which an element in the base set is related to itself. So even if it doesn't have 2, 2, but it still has 1, 1. Hence, R3 is also not an irreflexive relation. So an example of irreflexive relation on set A will be 1, 2. Fine.